In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export high quality images from Figma in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, knowing how to efficiently export images can be a real game changer for your design workflow. Let's jump right into it. To begin, make sure you're on the Figma homepage. Figma is a fantastic collaborative design tool that many professionals use for interface design. So once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up before proceeding. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which displays all of your recent files and shared projects. This is your central hub in Figma, an excellent place to keep projects organized. Next, navigate to the specific project where your image or design file is located. Simply click on Design. This step is important because you'll be working within the design interface where you can select specific components or artboards that you intend to export. Ensure that you have your project open and visible on the screen. Now that you're in your design file, direct your attention to the right-hand panel in the interface. This is where the magic happens. Find and click on the Export option. This action will open up the Export Settings panel. Here you'll see a range of options you can use to customize how your image will be exported. One of the key decisions you'll need to make is choosing the resolution of your exported image. It's crucial to select either the 2x or 3x option depending on your needs. These options refer to the export resolution relative to the original design dimensions. Choosing a higher resolution like 3x will result in a larger file size with finer detail, while 2x offers a balance between quality and file size. Once you have your preferred resolution selected, double check all of your settings, ensuring everything is just right. Now it's time to hit export. Once you click this button, Figma will process your request and output the high quality image to your computer, and there you have it. You've successfully exported a high quality image from Figma. Remember, practice makes perfect. With these steps, you can continue refining your export skills, ensuring that whatever project you're working on, your images maintain their high quality when shared or published. Thanks for tuning into this quick Figma tutorial, and happy designing.